In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived lists on Trello. If you've ever archived a list on Trello and later realized you need it back, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple process of restoring it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Trello board. Open up your browser and head over to the Trello website, logging into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, locate the specific board where your archived list is saved. Click on it to open the board. Now, once you're on the board, look to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find the settings icon. It's typically represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that to access the board settings. Within the settings menu, you should see an option for archived items. This is the section where all your archived lists and cards are stored. Click on Archived Items to open up a list of everything you've archived on this board. Once you've opened the Archived Items section, you'll notice there are separate tabs for cards and lists. Since we're focusing on restoring a list today, you'll want to click on the Lists tab. This will filter out all the archived cards, showing you only the lists you've archived. Now that you can see all your archived lists, scroll through to find the specific list you wish to restore. Once you've located it, you'll see a Restore button next to the list's name. Clicking this button will immediately restore the list to its original place on your board, just as it was when you archived it. And there you have it. Your list is now back on your board, and you're ready to continue managing your projects with ease. Remember, archiving is a great way to declutter your board without permanently deleting information. And as you've just seen, restoring is just as straightforward, allowing you to bring back any lists whenever you need them. Thank you for watching today's video on how to restore archived lists on Trello. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy organizing.